Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll learn to step into the flow of life with openness and acceptance rather than expectation. Begin by finding an easy seat with a long spine. Relax your shoulders and arms. Rest your palms in your lap. Smooth out your forehead. Soften your lips and jaw. And if you haven't yet, gently close your eyes. Now take a few long and smooth inhales and exhales. Let your lungs fill all the way to the top and empty all the way to the bottom. And as you soften back to a natural rhythm, follow each breath from its very beginning to its very end. Without shaping or changing your breathing, notice how it feels to stay with your breath just as it is. Notice the wave-like quality of your inhales and exhales, like a soft tide, ebbing and flowing. Your inhales effortlessly roll in. Your exhales effortlessly roll out. There's no need for you to control or manipulate anything. Your body naturally knows what to do as it breathes in and out. So give yourself permission to relax into the flow of your breath and enjoy the current. Now, let your attention soften. Change is inevitable. We can plan and organize meticulously, hoping things will go a certain way, but life often takes a different direction. And the more we resist the natural course of things, the more challenging that change can feel. In the Tao Te Ching, ancient Chinese philosopher Lao Tzu wrote, "Life is a series of natural and spontaneous changes. Do not resist them. That only creates sorrow. Let reality be reality. Let things flow naturally, forward in whatever way they like." In other words, the more we can soften into life's unpredictability, the easier it will be to face unforeseen circumstances that arise. Now, it can be beneficial to plan and prepare, but when we step into the ebb and flow of life, a feeling of ease can emerge. Rather than getting pushed around by the currents as we desperately hold on to the river's edges, we can relax our hold and give ourselves permission to move into the water's natural direction. We can learn to swim and surf the tide with more grace and agility. We may even discover new opportunities and experiences we'd have otherwise missed. So here's an invitation. In the next few days, try to catch yourself when you're going against the current. Perhaps you're clinging to an outdated idea or trying to control the outcome of a situation. See what it's like to soften your grip and open up to wherever the tide can take you. Slowly bring your awareness back to your breath. Take one last deep inhale and exhale, letting your breath move through you like a wave. And when it feels right, gently open your eyes. Step into the current today, and let's meet here again tomorrow.